Alright, I didn't know if I taped this Friday or not, but here's the hole I'm working on. I gotta rebuild all this back here and here. I don't know if you can see it. There's part of the hole there. You can see right through. So, I'm gonna build the inner structure today, try to get that cut out and put in. We're gonna go up here eventually. We got a whole panel that comes from about here all the way over to the door and down, and it goes this way. So all of this I don't have to worry about. We're gonna cut about here, and I'll come up here and over, and that's what we're going to do. Alright, just a little insight as to what's going on today. Today we're going to weld this up and start getting things put together here. That tacked in. Now we can do a little forming. Alright, we gotta do a little fitting. Little heat and beating. Trim to fit this time. And off a gap here I gotta close up. Overlaps here. Look at it. I got this panel put in, these two panels. This is only tacked in because I don't know exactly where this is gonna go. See, it moves. So we got a quarter panel coming. It goes from up here over and then down and back over to here, because we got holes over here we got to get rid of, and here and here. So we got a whole panel we're going to put in here, and but I don't know what else we got up here, so I didn't weld this in completely till we find out where the fender is going to be, the opening. So we got that. Alright, this is the next section I'll be working at. Got it all marked out right here. Cut up along there, along here, down here. Get rid of 2 rest holes and one full sweep here. Alright. So, it's going to be fun. Never know what you're going to find after we cut it out, but we'll see. Alright, I got it all cut out, cleaned up underneath, and we'll spray a little primer in there, weld through. Got a template made. That fits in there pretty good. Then I went and made this. Made this here. You want to remember, this isn't flat. It's got a little curve to it, so I put a little curve in it. It's got a little this way, so I put some in that. It's not much, just enough. Just like a glove. Might need a little heat and beat and bend to fit here and there, but it's pretty good. gloves on, put the welding helmet on. We're ready to tack this bad boy in. Watch your eyes. Alright, we'll get something to put behind that. Push that center back out. And we'll have to push that back in. Could have left a mark. Okay, get down there now and bring that out. Just a little. There we go. Beauty. So we got that done. Had to put of course, when you start one rust spot, you're going to find another. So this lip was all rotted out, so I put in a piece here from here down to here. Added a piece. Welded that all in. Got that shaped. That's ready for little bondo. This is what we'll be working on today. Got some rot right here. We'll see what we got when we get it apart. Something tells me it ain't going to be pretty. One hole always leads to another, which it looks like it's gonna, right in there. So we'll see what we get when we tear that apart.